A lot of what I do, besides the repair, is just a lot of kind of administrative, putting fires out, trying to make sure that this place runs efficiently. Anywhere from a piccolo to a sousaphone, from a quarter-sized violin to a three-quarter-sized bass. I mean, we get everything in here. Bari saxes, and we since we have more techs here now, we tend to share. I think we tend to gravitate towards certain instruments that we like to do, so you're actually going to do those better.
Chemistry takes time.
We have a work order program, and they send in a quote request, and Spencer arranges the routes for Joe and for Matt, and they go and pick up the instruments. They bring them here. Spencer processes them into the system, then we get them here, set them out, and we fix them, and then it goes back to Spencer, and then he arranges a route and they deliver them. There are some oddities. I had a flute that had a doll's leg stuck in the bottom joint of it, the foot joint. I think it was a case of, swallowing the spider, swallowing whatever to get rid of the fly or whatever. A lot of the challenges, I would say, are dad repairs. If something happens, the mouthpiece gets stuck in the trumpet, and Dad takes the pliers and tries to get it out and twists the lead pipe, and solder joints break. So then you have to bend it all back. A lot of times if the instrument's dropped, you can ask the director, how was it dropped? How did it hit? Or you can look at it and say, okay, it looks like the saxophone fell this way. So you know how to bend it back. That's the challenging thing, is trying to figure out. A lot of times you just sit and stare at the instrument. Say, okay, what did they do? How did this happen?
Like a forensic analysis.
Yeah, exactly. When we're not stressed out, there's a lot of camaraderie. We joke around a lot. If I've got a problem, or Sydney has a problem, or Joni has a problem with an instrument, we're always there to bounce the idea off of the other person. And they might have an idea that you never even thought of. Or a lot of times you get so engrossed in it and so intent on one part of it, you say, well, why don't you try this angle? Oh, I never thought of that. The reward is when the instrument's done, it plays nicely. I did a nice job on this. I'm happy with myself. And you hope the student appreciates it.